In this video, I'm going to show you how to use gradient map in After Effects. As you can see, I have here Photoshop file, and in this file, we have gradient map. If I open here, if I off, design looking like this. But what issue we face when we import file in After Effects? For example, I have this file. Here it is, and I want to import in After Effects. Okay, as you can see now, After Effects not reading this file, this layer which is gradient map, this one, and we need to fix this. For example, here we have this layer. I try to on and off, but nothing happening here because After Effects not reading this file, not understanding what is gradient map. So we need to fix it manually. So how we can do this? For doing this, we need to delete all layers. For example, this all. I think I have some layer where have look. Now I have just these colors, this layer. What we can do, we need to add a solid color, white. And after solid color, we need to go to layer, new, background from this layer. You can see now that solid layer which we add, we select as a background now. And now what we can do, we have to go to file, export as this one color lookup table. And here you need to select this cube. Make sure you have this check. Okay. And now you need to select folder where you want to save this. For example, here I want to save. I not want to change anything. And I just want to save. It will take 1 to 2 seconds, and now we have this save. Here we have this cube file which we saved just. And now in After Effects we need to add that file which we just saved. So for import that file, we need to add adjustment layer, and we need to apply color alert, this one, in this adjustment layer, and it will show us when you apply this effect. For example, if I have here, if I delete and try to apply again, apply color alert, it will open automatically window for import file. So we need to import file which we just saved from Photoshop, this one, open, and now we have everything fine, like original design. I delete everything, so I close this because we no need, don't save this, and let's open. Here we have design, and we have same without any issue. Maybe a little color issue we still have, I think. Let's check what. I think this one also we need to save as a color, this color nut, same how I show you, and we need to import again one more file here, and then it will be good. So we need to, when we are using gradient map in design, we need to manually add gradient map into After Effects. So this is method of using gradient map in After Effects.